Alright, hey guys, I just want to show you some phone filming accessories I just got. Maybe might give you guys some ideas or something. This is a Square Jellyfish brand tripod mount. I have been using the Square Jellyfish mount. It's more straight. This one has a pivoting ball on it, so you could adjust it at different angles. This one's better, and they upgraded it. I think the tripod screw now the insert is metal, mine's plastic, and it kind of strips out, but they fixed that issue. I do like the Square Jellyfish brand because it's spring loaded. It's easy to get your phone in and out without messing with thumbnail screws or whatever. Got this cheap little mini tripod selfie stick. I don't know if that's going to be any good. It supposedly has Bluetooth, but I'm sure that's junk, but I'm mostly interested just in the size of it. And I got this pistol grip mount. You screw one of these on there, and then you have easy filming to hold your phone without dropping it. So let's look at these. So you got a thumbnail or a thumb screw, so you can turn it, tighten your mount on, and this is kind of like a rubber grip. And you could also screw this onto your tripod, and then your phone mount and make it taller and what have you. You could do multiple things with this, but mostly I'm just gonna put one of these mounts on it, and for filming whatever action videos or whatever, this would come in handy versus just holding your phone, make it a little more professional. Okay, let's look at this. So this has the phone mount built into it. Got a screw here. You could adjust the angle. This is also spring mounted like that. I got a phone here. Let's see if this phone fits. Like that. Yeah, that fits. And now these feet come out like this. Oh, kind of nice. And then it extends higher, but I think if you go any higher, it'll get the big phone. It's not as stable, but I'm gonna try this out. Just something really small to keep around, keep in your pocket, your tool bag. We'll look at that a little more later. Okay, so let's look at this. And it is metal in there, so that's good. So in theory, you would go screw this on any way you would, front or back. Put that on. Put your phone in there. I gotta adjust it, but something like this. Now you could easily film like action style. And this you unscrew, loosen this to adjust it like that, or like this in portrait mode, but mostly you want landscape mode. Very nice. Yeah, I do like this Square Jellyfish phone mount. It's definitely better than the one I have. I like the swivel style. Okay, let's show you this little mini 2-in-1 selfie stick / tripod. Use it, loosen that, flip that up, tighten it, open the feet. These close on one another like with magnets inside. Open the feet up, push this stick up, otherwise it won't sit on the ground right. So, it's a little tripod. You could put your phone in there now. This is probably what I would feel safe using it as. Like, I wouldn't extend it any higher because it seems like it would get not as stable. But you can if you want. I think it goes up to 2 feet, but it's mostly like a selfie stick at that point. But so you could get a little higher vantage viewpoint if you want to raise it up. But of course, the lower to the ground, the more stable it is. And you could also flip this around and put your phone in portrait mode like that, if you wanted to film like that. So definitely pretty cool. And if you wanted to use it as a selfie stick, it extends to about almost to 2 feet, like that. But if you wanted to, but I'm mostly going to use it as a tripod. It's a mobile tripod. Folds up really small, and it's super light. It's only like 8 ounces at the most, but really cool. Really cool. And then here's the Bluetooth remote, but I doubt that even works, but it's there to take photos or whatever. But definitely pretty cool. Very good for the money.